Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of sharing your Unity projects using GitHub Desktop. Let's start by downloading and installing GitHub Desktop. Sign into GitHub. Once logged in, click the plus icon in the top right corner and select New Warehouse from the drop-down menu. Fill in the details based on your own project. I will leave the description empty for now. Select Private if you want your project to be visible only to you and your collaborators. Take a README file to add a basic README to describe your project in more detail. Add a Gitignore file by selecting a Unity template from the drop-down menu. When creating a GitHub repository, you can choose a license to define how others can use, modify, and distribute your code. I will include the usage terms for all licenses in the video description, so you can select the one that best suits your needs. Finally, click Create Repository to complete the setup. Once your repository is created, open GitHub Desktop and find it in the list that appears in the window. Select it to clone it to your local computer. Then, choose a folder on your computer to store the project files. That's it. Now you know how to create a GitHub repository directly on the website and integrate it with your Unity project using GitHub Desktop. Now, let's send a picture to our warehouse for a test. And finally, we upload the Unity installation file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Thank you for watching. The important point here is that when opening our project, we select the folder where we cloned it on the desktop.